Hi everyone and welcome. Today let's make small pastries with puff pastry and homemade parsley pesto. They are great as a snack or as an appetizer. Let's set the oven to heat to 180 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And make the parsley pesto first by blending together all the ingredients. I will put them and blend gradually as all the parsley does not fit in there at once. You can also use frozen parsley in this case, as we will bake the pesto in the pastries. And I'm adding olive oil gradually as well to assess how much is needed, as I want the pesto to be smooth and creamy but not to have too much olive oil. Let's taste the pesto to see if more salt, olive oil or lemon juice is needed. Tastes nice, so we can assemble our puff pastry snacks. Insert parchment paper or a silicone baking mat on a baking tray and grease it with a bit of oil. And unroll the puff pastry sheet. I took it out of the fridge a little while ago so that it softens at room temperature and does not break when unrolling. I will cut the puff pastry into 16 square pieces. And put the puff pastry pieces on the baking tray, leaving some space between them. Let's break an egg in a glass and whisk it a little. And spread a little bit of egg on each piece of dough using a pastry brush. Now I will spread about half a teaspoon of parsley pesto in each piece, leaving a little bit of dough sides free as they will puff up. And cut the tomato in thin slices. I will cut each tomato slice in half and put it on top of puff pastry pieces so as not to have too much tomato. You can also use cherry tomatoes if you wish. Let's also cut the soft cheese in thin slices and put half of a slice on each puff pastry piece. Lastly, I will put a little bit of black pepper on top. And put the baking tray in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes till the sides of the puff pastry have puffed up and lightly browned. Remove from the oven, let them cool a little, and enjoy! Thank you for joining me today and see you next week. Bye!